If we look at what's coming up next in 2020, we're gonna have a future where we've got all these little devices that are gonna start listening in. We're gonna have lights that are gonna listen in, we're gonna have air conditioners that are gonna listen in. It's gonna create what we call a behavior profile on yourself. And it's already starting to happen now. Social media companies are storing data on what it is that you do, who you interact with, what it is that you do every day. When you jump in your car, a lot of the time our phones automatically connect. So at 11 o'clock during the day, I can jump in my car and it'll pop up with a little maps thing saying traffic is light, 5 minutes to Cafe Del Chetto, because it thinks that I'm going to Cafe Del Chetto. Even though I've said nothing to it, it's predicting it. And it does that at different times of the day depending on what your activities are. So it creates this, what we call a behavior profile. 50% of Aussies use something other than a phone or a computer to connect to the internet. So as I said, it's the air conditioners, it's the lights, it's the TVs, it's all these sorts of things that are going to feed in to create this behavior profile. The Social Dilemma on Netflix actually highlights this quite well, brings to light what's going on behind the scenes in these digital marketing companies. You could be scrolling through Instagram and as soon as you stop on a photo, it starts to time how long you look at that photo for, or how long you look at that video for, because it creates these profiles to then deliver more relevant content directly to your feed. It's scary to think, but it's just the way that they're able to deliver relevant content to people to make sure their platform is hitting the mark for most people. Because imagine if we went onto social media and we're scrolling through and we're seeing all this content we've got no interest in, we're probably not going to use it ever again. So they want to make sure their content and their platform is still relevant.